So we're here at Tri-State Classic Car Restorations. I'm here with Phil. We're taking a 1973 FJ Cruiser, as you can see, it's over there. And we have here a 2009 FJ, not an FJ, but it's a Toyota Land Cruiser. We're gonna take everything from this car, motor, suspension, drivetrain, everything, it's going to be transplanted into this car. Phil, you want to explain to everyone kind of the gist of what we're doing here?
We're going to take the full chassis out of this truck with most of the interior and sheet metal like firewall and floor, and it's going to be grafted all into the other FJ that's over here, the 79. As you see the dash that's over here, okay, that's going to be molded into the truck there to make it look like a brand new truck on the inside. It's going to be an old truck with today's technology.
So, what Phil's basically saying, it's going to be the first 1973 FJ Cruiser resto mod, I think, that's ever been done. I've never seen any out there. Maybe you guys that checking this video out have seen them. Post them if you have. We would love to see other jobs like this. But if not, stay tuned and check it out and see what it becomes.